Hello, dear students. So now today we would move ahead in this fifth chapter of class 7 science, that is acids, bases and salts. So now here we were discussing the indicators, okay? The natural indicators we were taking because we are using the indicators to find out whether a given substance is acid or base, okay? So for that we are using the indicators, okay? I have told you the first. Now we are discussing the natural indicator, means which are there in the nature, which we can find in the nature. Such indicators are natural indicators. So first one is the litmus, okay, that already we have discussed. We are getting this litmus from the lichen plant, okay. We are extracting it from that, and out of that we are making two paper strips, two types of litmus paper, okay. So the litmus is available in two forms. So number one is the red litmus paper, and the second one is the blue litmus papers. Now what happens when you dip this red litmus paper in a solution, and if this red litmus paper turns into blue, then the solution is basic. Let's say this is the solution, okay, and here you have the red litmus paper. This is red litmus paper. Now you dip this red litmus paper, so the part which is inside the solution, this part, if it turns into the blue color, so this indicates that the given solution is what? Basic solution. For example, soap. Let's say this is the solution of soap, okay. Now you dip this red litmus paper here. Now you would observe that the part which is there in the soap, this one part would turn into blue color. This indicates that the solution is basic, okay. So it turns into blue color in basic solution, okay. So red litmus paper turns into blue color in the basic solution, okay. The second type of litmus paper is the blue litmus paper, okay. So blue litmus paper turns into red in acidic solution. Let's say we have an acidic solution. Let's say we have an acid. Let's say, in for example, we have the lemon water here, lemon juice, okay. This is the lemon juice. Now what you do, you just take a paper strip, sorry, this litmus paper. Let's say it is blue litmus paper now, okay. Take a blue litmus paper, and if you will observe that the part which is there inside the lemon water, so this one part would turn into red color. This one part would turn into red color. Now if this is so, then you would say that the given solution is acidic solution, okay. The given solution is acid. It implies the lemon juice is acidic in nature, okay. So we can say that blue litmus turns into red in acidic solution. So blue litmus turn into red in acidic solution. This is how we can find whether the given substance is acidic or basic with the help of the indicator, that is litmus paper, okay. So this was the first indicator, that was the litmus paper. Now let me tell you one concept here, that is the neutral solution. What is a neutral solution? If you see neutral solution, let's say you have a solution of what, you have water. You have water here. Let's say you have water here. This is water. I'm not talking about lemon water, etc. Only water is here that you are drinking, okay. This is the water here, okay. You have the water here. Now you just take red litmus paper first, okay. Now and dip this red litmus paper in the water. You would observe no change in the color, okay. The part is there inside the water, still it is red, okay. Now you do one thing, you take another litmus paper. Let's say it is now blue litmus paper. Now again you would observe that the part which is inside the water, still it is blue. Now if this is so, such a solution would be known as the neutral solution. So a neutral solution does not change the color of either blue or red litmus. It does not change the color of any of the litmus paper. So such a solution would be known as the neutral solution, okay. Okay, so what is a neutral solution? A solution that does not change the color of red litmus and the blue litmus paper, okay. So let me write this about the neutral solution now, okay. A solution that does not change the color of either red or blue litmus paper is known as a neutral solution. Is known as a neutral solution, isn't it? Okay, so that is about the neutral solution. Okay, now let's discuss one more type of indicator, natural indicator, that is China rose. Okay, so let me erase this if you have noted it down. Now we are going to discuss the second type of natural indicator, that is China rose, also known as the good health. Okay, you must be knowing it. Second is China rose. China rose is nothing but it is good health. Now what you do, you take the petals of the gudhal flower, you take these petals. Now these petal, take now some hot water, let's say this is the hot water. Now take the petals of the gudhal and dip the petals here. Now dip the petals, take the petals and dip these petals in this hot water. Okay, now keep it inside the hot water for some time till the water is not colored. Now if this one water is colored, now this is colored water. Now what you do, you take the hot water here and you dip this petals of the China rose, that is gudhal, you dip this here. Now after some time you would observe that the water is colored. Now this is the colored water. So this colored water we are using as an indicator. So this colored water is the China rose indicator. We call it China rose indicator. Now we are using this China rose indicator. Now we are using this China rose indicator to find out whether a given solution is acidic or basic. Now what you do? Now you take a small flask like this, conical flask. Sorry, you can say, you can take a small flask like, okay. Now what you do? You have an indicator. Let's say you have a solution here, but you don't know which solution is this. Okay. Now to find out whether this is acid or base, now what you do? You take this China rose indicator that you have made. You have made this China rose indicator. Now out of this, take few drops of China rose indicator and just pour this China rose indicator here in this one solution. Now some amount of this China rose indicator, pour this in solution, pour in this one solution. Okay. Now if this solution turns into dark pink color, if this solution, after adding China rose indicator here, now if this solution turns into dark pink color, so then you would call this solution is acidic solution. So this is acid then. Okay, so China rose indicator turns the acid into dark pink color. China rose indicator turns the acid into dark pink color. Okay, now let's say one more type of solution I have here. Now I don't know which solution is this. Now again, to find out whether this is acid or base, now again I am taking some amount of China rose indicator and just pour this indicator in this one solution. Now if this solution turns into green color, then you would say that the given solution is base. Okay, so we can say that China rose indicator turns basic solution into green color and China rose indicator turns acidic solution into dark pink color. Isn't it? Okay, now let me write this all. So this is what you have to write about the China rose indicator. Okay, so China rose indicator turns the acid into dark pink color. Let's say you have the lemon juice. Here. Okay, now if you just pour some drops of China rose indicator that you have made by boiling the China rose petals in hot water. Okay, by just dipping it in hot water, you are making a colored, you are just having a colored solution. So that is the China rose indicator. Now if you pour some drops of China rose indicator in the lemon juice, so this lemon juice would turn into dark pink color. So this shows that the lemon juice is acid. Okay, now again you take some soap here in this one beaker, you take some soapy water. Now again just pour some drops of the China rose indicator here. So this soapy water would turn into green color. So this again shows that the soapy water is basic in nature, it's base. Okay, so that is all about China rose indicator. That was the second type of natural indicator. Okay, now some other indicators we would be discussing in the lectures upcoming. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.